In this video, I will show you step by step on how to order from 1688 China importation to Ghana, step by step tutorial without any stress. But before we dive deeply into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Sophia. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to order from 1688 China importation to Ghana without any stress. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we need to do is to head over to our 1688 shopping app right here. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688. Having opened up my 1688, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I source for an item. If you don't know how to source for an item on 1688, there are two basic ways to source for an item. You can type the keyword of the item you are looking for on the search engine right here. You are going to see a lot of results. Then from there, you can select an item. And the second way by which you can source for an item on 1688 is to make use of image search, which has to do with this camera icon right here. You upload the picture of the item you are looking for, then you're going to see a similar result. That is what stands for image search. After you have successfully sourced for an item and you are able to see the right one to purchase, next thing you want to do is to add the item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel. I have made a step-by-step video on how to add an item to cart. After you have successfully added an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit your cart. Alright, so all the item you added in your cart is going to be found right here. So these are the items I'm going to make purchase straight up. So for me to purchase these items right here, what I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select the item. Then I'm going to purchase this one right here. I'm going to select on that. Then I'm going to purchase this. I'm going to purchase this. So having selected all the items, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. At the checkout right here, you can also scroll and see all the item preview and then see if you have anything you want to remove or you want to add. Alright, so if you are satisfied with everything at the checkout preview, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to proceed to payment. So right here, I'm paying the sum of 503 yuan to purchase all the items. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment. Then I click on here to confirm my payment and enter my payment password. You can see right here that the payment has been done successful. We are able to purchase from 4 different suppliers at the amount of 503 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. Then for me to access my profile, I need to make sure I click on here. Then all the items we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. So you can see them right here. These are all the items we just purchased on 1688. So this is how to order from 1688 to Ghana step-by-step tutorial. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.